What's up guys, welcome to our channel where today we will discuss the best electric bikes under $500 in 2023 according to their performance, budget, value and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. Now let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a solid product, check out the Switron Swagcycle EB5 is one of the best electric on the market in 2023. It combines a compact design with a longer than average range and a manageable weight to make it the best all-around e-bike for around $500. It weighs a very carryable 37 pounds thanks to an aluminum alloy frame and smaller 14-inch wheels, and folds down to just a third of its total size. Switron smartly designed a handle into the top bar that makes it easy to pick up and carry after folding it in half via the hinge on the top bar. The EB5 has a surprising amount of power for its small compact size. Though it lacks multiple gears and only has a single power assist speed, its 250-watt rear-mounted motor is capable of reaching brisk top speeds of 15 miles per hour while ascending inclines of up to 30 degrees, far greater than any other bike you're likely to encounter. Its 36-volt 7.5 amp-hours lithium-ion battery will allow you to travel up to 15.5 miles on a single charge and is also removable, making it easy to charge while at the office. The Switron will also fit most riders, thanks to a wide range of adjustments for both the seat and handlebars. Jetson sets their bolt-up electric ride on apart from the competition with an attractive design, powerful motor, and surprisingly lightweight overall. The Jetson manages to remain light thanks to an aluminum alloy frame and smaller 14-inch wheels, and still sports an energetic 350-watt motor. With its all-black finish and curved frame, the Jetson is one of the sleeker e-bikes you can buy for under $500. The bike weighs just over 40 pounds, has a set of handlebars that fold down, and includes a convenient built-in carrying handle, making it one of the more portable e-bikes on the market. However, it is important to note that only the handlebars will fold down, which makes it less compact than e-bikes that fold at the top bar. It can reach a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour and offers multiple speed options, which are easy to control via a twist throttle on the handlebars. It's powered by a 6Ah battery that gives it a maximum range of 13 miles, which is a bit on the low end for bikes at this price point. Other notable features include large disc brakes on both wheels for plenty of stopping power, a large bike seat, and a bell for alerting pedestrians. This folding-powered e-bike from Anchor is characterized by the arc shape of its top bar and lower bar, which Anchor says was inspired by the shape of dolphins. In addition to its marine mammal looks, it also happens to be one of the faster e-bikes at this price point. With its 350-watt motor, it can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, which puts the Anchor a significant step up from the 15 miles per hour speeds most e-bikes under $500 are capable of reaching. Its small 12-inch wheels also make it one of the more compact e-bikes on the market, though you should expect to feel more of the road than you would on an e-bike with larger wheels. Its 36-volt 6 amp-hour battery gets a maximum range of 15 miles, which is about average for an e-bike at this price. Just keep in mind that it's designed for mainly flat terrain. Anchor says it can climb moderate slopes over short distances. In addition to its high top speed, the Anchor comes with cool smart features not found on all bikes. When you connect it to an app, you can set speeds, lock the motor for security, track mileage and travel time, and run a diagnostic test. The EB006 is another high-performance e-bike from Anchor that costs less than $500. This e-bike uses almost all of the components that the Anchor and EB5 Plus has. The two key differences are the 250W motor and the 16-inch tires. Bigger tires mean less bumpy rides, particularly on off-road terrain. The Anchor and EB006 is the ideal electric bike for cyclists who want to explore mountain trails without investing in Class 2 or 3 e-bikes. Climbing a slope is no small task, but the 250W brushless motor of this e-bike can do the job just fine. With a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour, the EB006 provides sufficient power for a pleasant cruise across backcountry trails. Pedal assist is always welcome for long off-road travel, so this e-bike is equipped with a lasting 36V lithium-ion battery. You can travel up to 30 miles on electric-assisted mode or 15 miles on pure electric mode. The carbon steel alloy frame makes up most of this e-bike's weight, but for a good reason. Traveling off-road requires a tough structure to support the components without sacrificing the comfort of the rider. Even so, it only weighs 37 pounds, which is adequate for a folding hybrid e-bike. 16-inch tires cover the double-layer aluminum alloy wheels. There is enough shock absorption on the e-bike to protect it from bumps and cracks on mountain trails, so you would hardly feel the nuisance. Finally, our top best electric bikes is the Vidi Electric 16-inch. It is ready to tackle just about any situation you'll find yourself in. Powering this model is a rear hub 350-watt high-speed brushless motor, which produces about 37 pound-feet of torque and will assist you in reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. This model's power can be delivered via 3 pedal assist settings or by using just the throttle, meaning you don't need to pedal unless you choose to. You'll also have a Shimano 21-speed group set to help you find the right gear for the road ahead. When it's time to stop, the front and rear mechanical disc brakes do an adequate job. The lithium-ion battery gives this bike a 22 to 25 mile range in throttle mode and will take it up to 44 to 50 miles in pedal assist mode. The battery lasts for up to 500 charge cycles and is removable and waterproof. Once drained, it takes 4 to 6 hours to charge. The combination of range and power make this an excellent bike for commuting, but it's capable of much more than that. As long as the off-road trails aren't too intense, the lightweight aluminum frame, mountain bike-style tires, and front suspension unit should be up to the task. So that's it for the best electric bikes of 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.